right, so today on Super Chef or Supermarket, we are going to be trying out a product that, first of all, I'm hungry. Let's put it out there in the air. And I got a taste for shrimp scampi. So how can we get shrimp scampi, not at the restaurant, but at home? They have this amazing product from Michael Angelo's. It is a shrimp scampi. I think you only microwave it for 3 minutes. I want to take this home. I want to try it out, and let's go ahead and rate it. Let's score it. Let's see if you can get restaurant quality at home in the microwave. Meet me in the kitchen. All right, so we back in the kitchen now with Michael Angelo's shrimp scampi. You know what I'm saying? I like, again, a lot of these products you probably never heard of, but if you like shrimp scampi, we want to start there today. Like, let's just think about it. Taste your shrimp scampi, and you want something that's priced well. This right now is less than $5. I mean, it doesn't matter if it's $4, it's less than $5. It's like $4.49 is what we paid for it. A+ for lunch or dinner. Come on, man. Think about it. When you're about to eat lunch, think about it. When you're about to eat lunch, how many times do you spend $5 or less on something that you want? Like an actual meal. As far as price goes, $5 for either lunch or dinner, no matter which one it is, a steal. Every time. You know what I'm saying? Every time you roll that ball, it's a strike. You know what I'm saying? Like, so when it comes to there, there's no competing. It's an A. When it comes to nutritional, now let me say this. Usually frozen products don't do good in nutritional, because they usually tons of sodium. So let's see what we got here. 450 calories for this meal. You're supposed to get like 2,000 is like, if you're in this range, you know what I'm saying? 2,000, 1,500, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. If each one was this amount of calories, you'll be in a good place in life. And then we get into things like trans fats, 9 grams of saturated fats, which is 45% of your daily value. Cholesterol is 110 milligrams, which is 37% of what you should be getting of your daily value. I mean, it's a good C+. Sodium, 33% of your daily intake for sodium. It's in this one meal. So you got to be very strategic on how you eat the rest of the day. I would get us a really high C, like a 79. 80 is where you get to the B's at. A 79 is good though. That's why I talk to my kid. Like, why didn't you get that 1 more %? You know what I'm saying? So a good high C. Go high on that. When you saw that graphic, Evan, make it a high C. Like, make it on fire or something. I don't know how you do that, but that's your job. But let's get the taste. You microwave this for 3 minutes. You don't puncture no holes. You stir it and you microwave it again. And I want to give a huge shout out to Michael Angelo's. You know why? 2 things. First of all, the shrimp were raw. No, normally, when you get like shrimp inside of a product that you're about to microwave, the shrimp is already cooked for you. This shrimp was raw. I thought it was so smart. I thought it showed like actual, like, you want to have the best product. That shows me you want to have the best product, not giving me a pre-cooked shrimp and something you want me to microwave for 6 minutes. So shout out to them. And I love how they talk stuff, which, when we talk about talking that stuff, it's whatever you put on the front of your product that really brags about who you are and what your product is. And for this product, it's very short, it doesn't say much. It says no shortcuts, which shows me that this is actually a product that cares about its actual ingredients, simple ingredients. Shrimp scampi, simple: garlic, white wine, butter, lemon. There's not really a lot of ingredients that go into a shrimp scampi, so it shouldn't be overcomplicated. Let me see what this is working with though. Try the shrimp with it. Definitely not wine in it. Which a shrimp scampi, you should be able to taste the wine. Because once you add that wine to it, you let it reduce down to like what we call like Aussic, which is like a very short amount, a small amount left. So you really get that intense wine flavor. So the shrimp are juicy, which is crazy. Well, only knock is that it's very light, first of all. It's light, the shrimp are plump, the shrimp are juicy because they gave us raw shrimp. I love the wine flavor in this. The only thing that I would have liked to have seen, probably a little bit turned up, would be the garlic and the lemon. It needs acid. And if you know anything about a shrimp scampi, the acid hits in the shrimp scampi, whether it's lemon, vinegar, whatever it is. Usually it's lemon. It just needs to be pumped up some. Like, it needs to be like, you need a little steroid shot. You know what I'm saying? Just so we be clear, I've never done steroids. I've had jokes made about me gaining weight and stuff, but I've never done it. But this one needs a little steroid shot of lemon and garlic. That would be my only knock to it. Yes, good. It is what it is. I like it. Shrimp scampi. I would tell people. See, think about this. If I tell you to go get it and you don't like it, you're gonna be like, "What is he doing?" He's not being honest. This, for me, just needs a little more flavor. you need to season this also. So my SuperChef tip for this product would be to add some lemon pepper to this. I think will help out a ton, and it's going to just make this dish a lot more vibrant. It's like it's sleeping a little bit, and I like my shrimp scampi to be up, yelling, kicking, and screaming. So that would be my only knock to it. As far as taste goes, I would give this a B-, C+, same way. So we got our price easily an A. Nutrition was on fire as a C, almost a B, 79. And in taste, I give it the same. Chef's tip, add a little bit of good seasonings you have at home to this. I do respect the fact that they didn't give us tons of too much more sodium, and give you the chance to add things. You know what I'm saying? Whether you like that, what's the seasoning called? People like, you like Dano's, if you like Pop's Secret Seasoning, which Pop's Secret Seasoning is my favorite seasoning. They have a lemon pepper one that's fire. Look it up. It's from Steve Beatty. It's amazing. But yeah, let me know what you want me to try. DM us. We'll see you at a grocery store in your city here soon. This is SuperChef versus Supermarket. We will be back with another review.